Okay, here's our single leg adductor exercise. So your adductors are on the inner thigh of your leg. And I have a band that is light to medium. It's anchored to something sturdy down low because this is going to be for the leg. So what you're going to do is you are going to put a loop on the end, and it's going to go on the foot or ankle, of the leg that's closest to where you've anchored it. And then you're going to step away so you have just a little bit of tension. So it's not completely buckled. There's just a little bit of tension. So both legs are going to be working with this, but the standing leg, the leg that's not moving, is actually going to be working a little bit more to stabilize and stay still on that leg. So your goal is to get as tall as possible, lengthen that spine up, engage those abdominal muscles so they're supporting you and lifting you upward. And then from there, you're going to balance just on the outside leg, and you're going to let the leg go in, and then you're pulling it across to be right in front of the other foot. So you'll feel this standing leg. There's a lot of muscles working, but you'll feel this standing leg having to activate when you pull this across. They're both going to work, but again, you probably, in terms of sensations, you're going to feel more of like the standing leg inside outside working to stabilize you. Okay, so you don't want it to feel like it's impossible, like too much resistance, but you also don't want it to feel like nothing. We're trying to add a little bit of challenge to this. The other thing to pay attention to is that you're not twisting. You don't want to be doing this, right? You want to keep your pelvis square. So if you had headlights coming right off the front of those bones in the front, the car's not driving to the side, it's driving straight to the front. You're up nice and tall on that leg. You can flex this foot, and then it's going to create, just again, some sturdiness for the body as you pull it across, and then let it come back. And you're just trying to stay stable, minimize how much wobbling you're doing, and nice and easy. And this is a really good activation exercise.